How to fix mouse not working in Windows? Step 1. Check the mouse connection. Unplug the mouse from the USB port. Plug it into a different USB port. If you are using the wireless mouse, reconnect it. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. After pair it. Step 2. Update the mouse driver. Search for device manager. Click it. Search for mice and other pointing device. Click it and update the driver. Once complete, after move on with next step. Disable USB power saving. For this you need to search for universal serial bus controller. Under that, click USB root hub. Right click. Click properties. Click power management. Disable allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Disable it and click OK. And move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space / scan now. Click OK. Wait for some time, it's scanning. Once scanning complete, after it start verifying. Once the verification is complete, after it will throw up the message if you have any corrupted file having means it will shows the corrupted file details. Verification is completed, there is no corrupted file. Exit it and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text: msconfig. Click OK. The system configuration page will appear. In this you need to click the service tab. Enable hide all Microsoft services. Click disable all. Click apply and OK. And restart it. Once the restart complete, after the next step, search for settings. Click it. Click Windows Update and check for update. If update available means you need to download and install it. Thank you.